Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.17 and $5.98 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.46 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.562761. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the rise of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked eagerly to foster an extraordinary digital currency that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby money. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a thorough value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the universe of installments gives off an impression of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been an unmistakable part of Nexo. The principal advantage shoppers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Nexo specialized investigation. The cost of Nexo has a brilliant viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady unwavering quality, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as per all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is at present worth $0.703451 United States dollars. Nexo has moved 1.60% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,542,228. Nexo is at present positioned 96 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $388,582,376 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Nexo value forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.06. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.984832 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.844142. Nexo value expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.76. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.41 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.55. Nexo value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.46 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.25 and a low of $2.11 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.17, with a base cost of $2.81 and a typical cost of $2.95. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.66 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.52 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $3.87. Nexo value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.36. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $4.57. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.22. Nexo value expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.92 and a yearly cost close above $5.28 in 2029. Nexo value expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.63 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.98, averaging out at $5.77. Nexo value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Bitcoin wisdom makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts are not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.89 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.61. The cost of the Nexo currently doesn't anticipate what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is reliant upon the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how a Nexo will foster